Hello and good morning. Roy's the boy back. Today we're going to be doing a video on a racing Briggs & Stratton engine and how to fix it. But today I'm using my new GoPro, so this is also going to be a test on that. So please give me some comments. What do you think of the picture quality, sound quality? If this is working okay. It's a second-hand one which I've bought for £65, which I think was quite reasonable. I did have some problems at first with it because I had the wrong memory card inside it and it wasn't working correctly with it. So let's go and have a look at the mower. Right, okay, what I think the problem is going to be under here, and it's got to be something to do with the governor spring, or the governor flap is stuck. So we'll take this off and we'll have a look at this flap now. Right, yep, as I suspected, there is no movement at all just there on the governor flap. So I've got to take the whole housing off and a recoil cover to get in there and see what the actual problem is with that. Right, okay, as I suspected, it is the governor flap that should be moving and it is completely stuck. So hopefully I can untighten that, and it might have been over tightened down. And also I have noticed that the coil has not been set correct either. Right. It still doesn't want to move. Okay, I have found the problem. Right, it is not the governor arm, it's actually the flap there. What has happened, it's gone round the wrong side. Let's see if I can put you on top of there. That there was stuck there, so that had no movement whatsoever. So all I'm doing is lifting it up there, and now the flap has movement. But what I will do whilst I'm here, I'm going to reset the coil. Yeah, as I suspected, it ain't set correctly. And once I've done that, that's it. That's a quick fix. That is how to diagnose and fix a racing engine on a lawnmower. Well, that was a simple little fix there on the high revving of the engine. All it was really was the flap was bolted down too much, so it was just no movement on the flap whatsoever. So it was sticking on high revs all the time, so the governor spring wasn't doing its job really. So that's all that is. Anyway, about the GoPro. What's the GoPro like? Please tell us. I really would like to know. I'd like plenty of comments on it. Is the picture quality good? Is the sound good? That's it basically. Anyway, so if you like this short video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and don't forget that little notification bell at the end. Until next time, cheerio.